Hello everyone. Now we can check this knife case study for one DFA user in Malaysia. So we can check this drive, the data array is not accessed. But if we check the beginning part of LBA, we can see the data array is accessed. Click. Okay. Now see, we can see this part is okay, but so this drive is partial sector access problem. So now we need to fix this partial sector access issue. And this is one old drive for Seagate. Its family is 3C. So now we need to use one function here, translator operations. And we can use this one, and this one is not LM. So here we can see this mode, it's LM and not LM, so it's automatically detected as not LM, and then we can start process to repair this partial sector access problem. Okay, now the program starts to find the bad locations. I'm trying to add those bad locations to Nginx and then run the translator regeneration to fix the partial sector access issue. So users just need to wait a little bit until this partial sector access problem is fixed. This kind of issue is very common for this kind of old drives, and we can see that the first LBA, the first bad location has been searched and found. So we can just wait, and it's added to its Nginx one by one, and running the translator regeneration automatically. So after this one, we can see the translator will be fixed automatically. Now we can see that the recovery LBA is 31305.811. Success. This is about 150 GB. Yes, that is correct. So the total capacity is 500 GB for this drive. So the whole drive can be fixed soon. We just need to wait until the next bad location will be added. Now let's wait. So this partial sector access issue is now being repaired automatically. So this one is very helpful for this kind of drive to be repaired. After this one, and the whole drive will be repaired fully, and the whole data array can be accessed. So if users have the DFL Seagate HDD firmware repair software, it will be easy to repair this kind of failure, firmware failure, and then finally get all the lost data back. Now we can see that the second bad location has been added to Nginx, and the translator regeneration has been fixed. Thank you for watching the video.